Alright boys, I am here at Custom Muffler Exhaust. Mr. Dave is getting started on my new exhaust system. I'm doing a pre-tire side exit exhaust with dual tips. And if you are in the South Florida area, I just want to give a shout out to this man because he has been doing performance exhaust systems for a long time. Very well established. He's been working on race cars and all kind of stuff for years. But this man knows his stuff in and out, and definitely want to give him your business if you're in the area. I'll have some still pictures up of before and after, but just want to let you guys get a little glimpse of the next thing going on today. But that's about it for the moment. But yeah, look up CM Exhaust online. He's off of Copens and Banks out in the Pompano area. So if you can, give him a business. He does an awesome job. This is probably the third or fourth vehicle he's done for me now, and zero complaints every single time. So, I'll be back in a few. So we just finished. Got the side exit there. And we're gonna give it the first sound test, cold start. Yeah, really. That sounds pretty good. Bad at all. Thank you, sir. So my phone decided to die before we could do a little rev test, but all paid up, getting out of here now, so you guys can hear it a little bit. It's pretty good, but definitely give this guy your business. His name is Dave. You have to apologize. I have to apologize for my voice. Apparently started getting a cold today, but he does great work. Mandrel bent exhausts. He's been doing this for over 40 years, I believe. And this is, like I said, my third car he's done, and haven't been disappointed yet. So you'll definitely want to hit him up. CM Performance Exhaust. I'll throw a link in the description. But let's see if we can get a little real live sound test here also. I am sorry for the vertical video. I'm just realizing, but I've got to have my phone plugged in. Otherwise it's dead. Get out here on the road. Mr. So-and-so. But again, he's off of Banks Road and Copans West, which is in Fort Lauderdale. Pretty easy to get to once you get over here, but he'll take care of you. A really good guy. He's a little bit of a character, but you know, I think we all are. Not too shabby. Don't really know what I was expecting, but I think it's pretty good. It's not a V8, obviously, so there's always going to be that. Pretty good. Alright guys, well, that's all I got for now. The only other thing that I'm going to be doing is the Turbo Smart blow-off valve installation and a couple other little aesthetic things. And then my build is pretty much done. I didn't want to go over the top, just keep it easy. Not give Ford too much to gripe at me about voiding my warranty. But good. Alright, y'all. See you on the next one.